Andrew, did you know this 1929 building has a green efficiency rating of an A?
I did not.
Inside your door, you can watch the boats go by from walls of windows towards the Hudson River during sunrise and sunset. This uptown loft-feeling home was designed by two architects that joined forces and created the most efficient, stunning, and renovated 12th floor home I have seen in years. They took this beauty back to the studs.
This chef's kitchen has an abundance of beautiful white Caesar stone countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, Viking range, 6 burners, Miele washer dryer, plus a Miele dishwasher. Let's not forget the Sub-Zero fridge. It's a great place to hang and cook.
The ensuite bathrooms have brand new plumbing, radiant floor heating, and inset Roburn medicine cabinets. There is a wonderful soaking tub too.
Floors have extra soundproofing with new 3/4 inch additional subflooring underneath the brand new solid herringbone oak floors with walnut inset. Amelia, take a look at this room, all done up.
Andrew, take a look at this primary bedroom, all done up, and the forever river view. Perfectly located for convenience, this home is nestled between over 200 acres of Riverside Park green space. There is Strauss Park Gardens right across the street.
The exceptional homemade Silver Moon Bakery is just 2 blocks away, and Columbia University is also nearby, plus over 800 acres of Central Park nearby too. And best of New York City is right outside your door. The gracious lobby features these original terrazzo floors and a 24-hour doorman.
Downstairs is a fabulous playroom, and upstairs is a stunning roof deck with 365-degree views of rivers, city, bridges, and more, topped off with beautiful teak furniture and herb boxes too.
If you'd like a private showing for this beautiful new apartment,
12B at 245 West 107th Street.
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.